Guys, andito na ako sa Starbucks.
Hello,
Marvic. Kasama yung baby niya. Tama ba?
Hindi, ako ang Carmen.
Carmen, hindi ko pala. Siya pala, sorry. Oh, naman mali ako, Carmen. Hindi pa pala kita natanong. I know.
Very bad.
Lagi niya ako inaano, sabi niya, tinatanong mo yung pangalan, tapos 1 minute later, makakalimutan mo din naman. Huwag ka na lang magtanong. Oo, si Carmen pala, yung baby niya.
Kenta, Kenta pangalan niya, Kenta.
Kenta?
Yeah.
Kenta? Hi, Kenta.
Ilan po anak niyo?
Tapos si Bless, at saka si... Ano ba? Ray. Oh.
Sa akin lalaki at saka babae. Yung lalaki naman ang panganay.
Sherry. At saka si Yan, si Maribig. Chika pa more.
Kasi dito eh.
Pero, guys, ang busy dito. So, hindi kami mag-order na. Ay, hindi mag-order si Don kasi napaka-busy. So, hindi nakafocus yung aking dalawang mga babies. Grabe naman yung pimple ko. Dito sa Anatomy, guys. Hello. Channel mo. Hi.
Jonah Mikon. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-active.
Okay lang yan.
Kailangan i-vlog to kung sinaran.
Char. Si Mare.
J.An po. J.An. Apo, J.An.
Guys, naglipat kami dito sa labas kasi ang daming tao sa loob. Nakakahiya, nagsa-study sila. Dito na kami. Hello. Meron siyang vlog. Anong vlog mo?
Checkmats, Japan Life.
Yes? Yan yung haba. Checkmats Japan Life.
Yes.
Subscribe niyo siya. Ang pretty. Ang layo ng binyahe nito. Halos 2 oras.
For you.
Sila din sa ilalim. J.An. Ang gaganda. Tapos marami. Dito. Ang mga nauna kanina.
Pwedeng pang-picture.
Oh my gosh, you're so pretty. My God.
Saan pa ang ano nito? Darling, saan pa ang ano nito, darling?
Nakatangkad mo naman. Gaganon ako nito.
Ito, okay.
Picture tayo. Sige. Hala, salamat. Okay lang sa'yo.
Take out the vlog.
Uy, naliya ako sa kanya. Sige ha.
Sige, 1, 2, 3. Ang isa na day biday. Baka day nagdamag ka photos day kalooy. Plastic kayo. Sige, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sige po. Ilan na daw kasi nagwapa na eh.
Talagang laki na nga. May vlog to. Ano vlog?
Hello po, sis guys. Biglang man yung boses eh.
Meron siya vlog, guys.
Meron pa kaming vlog. Hello sa mga inday. Asa pa bibigay? Ano ba? Hello pa sa mga inday.
Guys.
Po ako sa mga indays. Tatawa po ako kay nakita kong sis Grace. Ang ganda-ganda guys.
Joy!
Promise.
Sige na, ano ng vlog mo? Ganda-ganda ka dyan.
J.An po.
J.An? Ano ba spelling?
J-E-Y. Tapos A-N-N.
Tapos taga-Japan din siya. So, sa mga gusto manood ng
Hi po sa mga fans si sis Ray.
Ikaw may vlog ka?
Ay, wala po.
Mag-vlog ka na. Ganda,
Ay!
Ano?
Iya.
Kamahiya. Sino? Ay, yung isa. Yung ay. Hindi, okay lang yan. May vlog din siya, guys. Ano vlog?
Jonah Mikon. Actually, ano yun eh? Parang bula. Up and down, Kasi busy.
May
tatlo
hugot ka talaga
babies. May baby sa ulat ko, kaya...
Diyos ko, meron kang 3?
May tatlo.
My friends have multiple problems.
Talagang Pilipina. Thank you sa pagpunta.
Dalagang Japanera.
Meron, may bagong dating. Hello! Kayong dalawa yung nag-vlog?
Shop.
Ikaw lang. Anong vlog mo?
Ano banana paper?
Ano?
Ana banana.
Ana banana. O dahil hindi yan makakalimutan. Ana banana, guys. Hello. Punta kami ng park. Sama tayo. Sige, punta kami ng park, guys. Kasi doon kami sa Starbucks kanina. Ang daming tao. Mga nag-aaral sila mga nakakahiya. Ang leader namin si Karen. Oo nga naka-heels pa yan. Pak. Punta kami sa karaoke Shedax. Magka-karaoke daw kami, guys. Sama ko pa rin si Sherry.
Natandaan niya pangalan ko.
Oo!
Ang saya.
Tandaan ko na yan, Sherry. Sinabi ko sa kanila na nakakalimutan ko lagi. Okay ka lang dyan, leader?
Ayan na.
Ay!
There you go again.
here
Ikaw
to
talaga
go
si Ray.
again.
Ikaw na talaga.
Ikaw na talaga ang
Naku,
nakayo.
200,000 pa lang siya followers niya na ako, no?
Aw, thank
Ngayon,
you.
ano siya? Going to 600. The winner talaga.
Winner talaga?
Winner siya sa Japan.
Oh, da. Lo.
Parang iba-iba yung
Nauna na si leader.
parang medyo madilim.
Ay, in fairness. Oh, nagsasara na naman. Ala da, madilim. Ito na yung room natin? Ay, yeah, 318.
Okay.
Dito kami lahat, guys.
First time mo rin rin?
First time. Oo. Wala nga naman. Ngayon nga lang ako dumating.
Ng meet-up na karaoke.
Oo, di ba? May bagong dating, guys. Hi! May tayo kayo.
Vacation diaries.
Ay, meron! Hey! Meron! Ilagay mo yan dito kasi makakalimutan ko yan.
Hi, we finally met Ray. She's so so pretty person.
Salamat. Ilagay mo yung channel mo. Thank you. Dadaan lang sila, guys. Thank you. Magkapatid kayo.
We three we're sisters and friends. Yes, we're based in Japan.
Magkapatid kayo. Kapatid, malamang. Yay! Thank you, guys. May humabol, guys. Hello. Salamat. Sige, sino? Eunice. Hi, Eunice. Mayan. Kasama ko si Mayan. Hello. Yay.
Finally.
Siya?
Jello.
Jello.
Pero ano sa Japanese siya?
Salamat po. Thank you.
So go on. I'm only be breathless and tease me until I can deny it. Love and need it. Make me long for your kiss. Go on. Yeah, come on.
Guys, maghihiwalay na kami. Ito na lang natira, oh. Sila, hi! Ay, sorry. Sorry ko yan.
Bye na.
Bye! Ana, banana!
Kami siya bitawan.
Oo nga, isasama na daw sila sa hotel. Thank you, sige. Balik na kami sa street na to, guys. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang salamat sa nagpunta. Thank you, guys. Tingnan nyo naman tong mga regalo. Hindi nyo na kailangan. Parang hindi ko na kailangan mag-shopping. Nandito na lahat. Puno na yung luggage ko nito. Thank you, guys, sa inyong lahat. As in, sobrang saya. Hindi ko na i-mention kasi ang dami. Baka may makalimutan pa ako. Pero thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Yung mga dumaan na hindi na nagstay sa karaoke, thank you. As in, sobra. Thank you, guys. We're home. Thank you, my love. Tingnan nyo naman to. Oh my gosh, guys. Grabe kayo. Salamat, babe.
I'll get the key to put in.
Yep. Where do you put that in?
Behind the door.
Behind the door.
Yeah, it's close the door. There.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Thank you, babe.
That's alright.
Oh, good. Guys, ipapakita ko lang yung mga binigay kanina para makapagpasalamat na din sa mga nagbigay. Ito na yung best lighting na makukuha natin. So, dito tayo. Thank you! Thank you! Kung walang pangalan dito, pasensya na ako. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero, yeah, salamat. Ito, naalala ko to. Cheryl, salamat! Thank you so much! Dito din si Dan. Taster na natin siya. What? A watch!
Oh, whoa. Nice.
Hala, grabe siya, Beshi. Manhattan, New York. Wow, salamat.
That's really nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Sabi pa niya, ano daw, nothing special. That is so special. Actually, I'm gonna wear it now. Thank you. Kala ko chocolate. Next is ito. Alam nyo kung sino kayo. So, thank you so much sa inyo. Binigyan nila ako ng Quality First all-in-one sheet mask. Oh my gosh, I'm planning to buy a lot of masks here in Japan. And then ito, sabi niya, every night daw to dapat before matulog. Salamat! Ito naman, galing kay Sherry. Thank you! Meron tayong, custard cake. Yan. And choco pie. Yung isa, oh. Babe, you should sit here. Come on, join the hall. Sige na, come here.
Oh, this is nice. Chocolate macadamia, chocolate and almonds, nice.
Okay.
This is for me, for looking at this. Coffee,
Yes.
yes.
For me.
More coffee for you,
Coffee, yeah.
nice.
Cafe La Torre.
Chocolate and biscuits,
More chocolate
Yeah.
biscuits for Danny
Nice.
boy.
and the boys.
And the boys.
Kit
Kit
Kat.
Kat!
Kit
Green
Kat.
tea! Paborito ko to.
These are for us.
Yeah, I love this.
This stays home. That's it. You like that stuff.
This one is, I think this is one of their gummies. Actually, let's try this now. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's like pomelo or something. Ah, no, actually. I don't know what it is. Melon! Well, that smells good. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. One of their gummies. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you love this. Yeah. Yeah, salamat. Wow, it's good. Thank you, Ana Banana. And sa asawa mo, thank you. Oh my gosh. Let's try this.
Nah, let's save this for another day.
Are you sure? Because
Yeah.
I think this will expire soon.
Wait, well, tomorrow we'll try it.
Okay.
Let's have it tomorrow. That looks cool
Tokyo
though.
Banana. Before nung trip namin, ang dami ko mga pinapanood na mga videos, mga haul. And lagi itong nasa haul nila. Tokyo Banana.
Yeah, we'll have that tomorrow for breakfast.
Ooh, okay.
More Kit Kats. We love this stuff. That's a cool one as well. That's the
Yeah.
same one, Tokyo Banana Kit Kat.
Tokyo Banana Kit Kat.
Awesome.
Salamat!
Thank you.
Thank you, Ana Banana. Ay, meron pala silang mga channel, guys, ha? Itong mga i-mention ko. I-leave ko yung channel nila sa description
This
box.
is-
Thank you, guys.
This was in here. 2 rays from...
Natomi! Natomi. Thank you! Salamat! Hindi siya nakasama sa, karaoke. Pero, yeah, nagpunta na siya dun sa Starbucks. So, thank you so much. I remember her.
I don't know if this was in here or what it was, but
I think it's the same box as Natomi.
whoever got us these, thank you. They're cute. These are little chocolates as well.
Yeah, minions. Okay.
This is
tingnan
why it's
natin
so
yung
hard for
laman.
me to go on a diet.
Why? So, you're blaming them?
No, not blaming them. I'm blaming chocolate.
Oh, Canmake!
What's that, babe?
It's a blush from
Okay.
Canmake. So these are makeup. Oh, Canmake again! I have something like this, I think. Yeah, bomb. Yeah. Thank you! And another Canmake one. Nail polish. Salamat. Thank you very much.
You can do this one, babe.
Who is this from? Let's check. Sana may letter. Sino to? Sherry! Sherry again!
She's bad with names, everyone.
Really
bad.
But I remember her.
Names and directions, no good.
Yung isa, the one that gave me this is Cheryl.
She remember
Pero meron
faces,
akong
but not names.
Meron ako na-open na Sherry din, babe. Okay, let's see. Yay! Chopsticks! Salamat!
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Ah, boys and girls, so red and blue. Beautiful.
Magkaiba
Yeah,
po yung
it's
design.
Yeah, something different.
Ano siya, guys? Gold na earrings. Ooh, more. Thank you. Media. Lipstick. Alo, uy, napaka-socially naman ng mga ano, uy. Packaging. Alright, what's in here? Ooh, bath salt. Bubble bath. Bath salt at saka bubble bath. Tapos merong loofah dito sa loob. Nice. And then mask. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay! Pure Smile! I've heard a lot of good things dito sa Pure Smile. Tingnan mo. Thank you! One of the collagen face mask. One of the hyaluronic face mask. Thank you very much.
Dun, 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 dun. This looks cool. What's that? La Popo
Farm.
Popo Farm. Thank you very
Ay,
much.
galing talaga sa La Popo Farm.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, cool. That is really cool.
I reckon it might be food.
Yeah?
I don't know. I could be wrong.
Natural, healthy, beauty.
Open it up. Let's have a look
But
what it
that's
is.
so cool. Tingnan mo yung sticker niya. Parang nag-blend lang din sa aesthetic ng kanyang packaging.
That's in Japanese.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my gosh, I don't want to ruin it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's food! Nashock ako dun.
Oh, what? Well, that smells good. We'll eat that later.
Oh my gosh.
That'll be like a midnight
yummy.
snack.
Gusto ko yung ano,
Oh,
gilid. Mmm.
yeah, that's good.
Ang sarap.
There's no name or card.
Oh, salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kakainin namin yan.
Whoa.
Alright. The bourbon one in green tea.
Oh!
We got this today. And he loves it. Tingnan nyo.
We got this one today, but someone already opened it.
Someone?
Yeah, very good.
Someone already stole it. Yay! Green tea! Salamat! Oh my gosh! Wala na. Makakain talaga yan. KitKat! Raspberry. Na-try ko na to. Masarap to. Thank you!
Sissy would love this green tea.
I know.
Sissy, you'd love this.
Sissy. Yan.
Sissy, you gotta come to Japan. What's next? Oh! Truffle.
Ah! That's yours. This is mine.
This is mine.
Chips.
Yeah, you can have the chips.
Yay!
Thank you. This
Thank
is
you.
Good.
Ooh! Oops.
I'll do the food.
Drinks.
This is yours as well.
Matcha! Yay!
Is that like milky drink?
I think so.
Oh, we should put, I should put it in the, we'll put it in the fridge.
Yeah,
That's
put it in
all.
the freezer. Fridge.
Fridge.
Thank you! Ano ba to? Rice cracker ba to? Oh my gosh. Ang sarap. Thank you. Last one?
Last one.
Last one. Boom.
There you go, my love.
Ah, from Mayan. Hello sa niece niya na si Eunice. Hello. Thank you dito. Salamat.
Coffee?
Yay! Put that in the fridge.
Yeah,
That
that's
is mine.
focus.
Ooh! Some jelly stuff.
It's like wrapped up. That'll be
Double
interesting.
peach crepe.
We have to share that. That is.
No, there's
okay.
two.
Oh,
There's two.
I'm gonna have one tonight. Oh, oh Jesus.
Oh, that is so good. Look at all the cream.
You get that in the corner. Oh, look at that. There's something inside.
Yum. Oh, yum.
Mm.
The other one's mine.
Oh, this is good.
Salamat.
Mm.
Oh, more food. Oh my gosh. I think these are the stuff that I like. Yung mga ganito, yung mga chip. If I'm right, kung chip to. Thank you.
Oh, you better do it. It's beauty. I only specialize in food.
Flower cup cover.
That's cute.
That is fancy.
That is very fancy.
Para sa cover. That is so nice. Thank you.
Makeup.
Nah. I think it's for the kitchen. Wow.
Oh, whoa, that's pretty fancy.
Oh my gosh. With an R.
Is that for all?
That is so cute. That's for my...
That's your name. This is for your coffee in the morning. Cause when you drink coffee, you'll be like, very fancy. As a candle.
Are you sure?
Nah. Nah, it's a candle. I'm good at guessing these presents. And what's underneath it?
Oh, that is
Oh,
so
that's
cute.
You gotta show 'em, babe. That
Oh,
is cute.
nice.
I like that. That is,
Pleasant morning.
wow.
That is so fancy.
It's got like
Salamat.
seashells under it. That is cute.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you everyone for the presents. Never do a meet and greet in Starbucks in Japan.
Busy.
Busiest Starbucks in the world. Unbelievable.
It's crazy.
Meet and greet, Japan, karaoke room.
Yeah. Dan organized the venue, which was Starbucks, yung first na venue. He did check the seating allowance.
I googled the seating, there's heaps of seats,
Yeah.
but today
So he
was
was like, yeah, we will be alright.
easy.
Yeah, easy. And then, it was full.
Yeah,
And the queue to get coffee was so long.
yeah.
As in, so hindi talaga kinaya sa Starbucks. And hindi din siya madali hanapin. It's not easy to find as well. Like, a lot of people went to like 4 Starbucks around the area just to find us. And sobrang thank you guys. As in,
Yeah,
sobrang
thank
thank you talaga. The effort, just the effort na ginawa nyo. As in, sobra. Thank you guys. Oh, babe, try this.
What's that?
Because I love this.
What is it? Oops.
I don't know. I can't read it. But I love it.
You like it?
You don't? I
not-
understand if you don't. It's like fish.
I'm not a chip person. That's okay, but I like the chocolate.
I love this.
Dip it in chocolate.
We need to find more of these.
Yeah, but that's your dessert. That's your
Yeah.
snack.
This is mine. Oh my gosh. I knew it. Pagkita ko pa lang sa kanya, sabi ko magugustuhan ko. Ito yung klase ng snack na gusto ko. This is so good. Alis tayo guys, kakain tayo. Yung plano sana namin pupunta kami na Don Quixote tonight. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan, gusto mo bang pahinga? Kasi marami pa naman kaming days na natira. So, pahinga muna. Hindi muna tayo magde-Don Quixote. Kasi yung Don Quixote, 8 floors. And gusto ko yun i-explore. Like from ground to the 8th floor. Gusto ko siyang sulitin talaga ba. So, bukas na lang. Maghanap tayo ng makakain. So, explore, hanap na makakain. Sobrang sarap ng chips. My gosh, gusto ko yun. Parang okay na sa akin yun lang yung kakainin ko. Sarap noon. Thank you sa nagbigay noon. That chips, babe, that I had today.
You like it that much?
Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna buy heaps. Sa labas to ng hotel namin, guys. Kaharap lang talaga ng hotel. Ang cool, no? What's that? W Bagus. Gusto namin to i-try, guys. Hotdog na mozzarella cheese hotdog, chon original hotdog, volcano hotdog. Ganyan itsura. Ang sarap na itsura eh. Basta mga deep fried kasi talaga eh. Oh, good, babe? Ayun, nandun pala. Sorry? Ticket. Okay.
So you can do a lot of the food places?
Look at the doggies. Is it a goat? I think the other one's a goat.
Is it a sheep?
A sheep? Or maybe a sheep. Okay. So, which one? Kansai? No, or this one? Shinshun.
What's that? Okay, that puts you choose.
That's with a... Okay. Did you already take it, babe? Tapos saan tayo magbabayad? I don't know, babe. Did it select it? Okay. Look. Gawas. Alright, cool. That one? Nice. That's it? Just one?
That's it.
Okay. How do you say done? Look. Okay, done. How much is it, babe? 350. 350 yen ang hotdog. Garlic powder?
Yeah.
How much?
How do? Yeah.
That's nice. Ketchup?
Yeah. That is beautiful.
Dito kami sa Lawson, guys. Bibili kami ng hot food nila. Itatry namin yung chicken. Hotdog kami kanina, diba? Tapos ngayon, hindi na kami gutom. Ang dami pa naming pagkain dun sa bahay. So, sa bahay. Dun sa kwarto. Kakainin namin yung pie kanina. Which one? Okay. Meron sila nito, guys. Chicken. Meron din ganito.
Got one of these, little bit?
Yeah. One? Regular one as well? Tapos may hotdog. Tapos yun. Ano yan? Potato cake? Isda, oh. Tatlo nung regular chicken lang yung binili namin, guys. Gusto ko sana bilhin yung nasa box. Tapos wala. Hindi na nakuha ni ate. Hindi niya kami naintindihan ng hindi na niya kami naintindihan eh. So ito, try natin yung chicken nila. Is it good?
It's okay.
It's okay? Sarap, guys.
レビューのフェアです。マイスタにて遊びに来てください。キャバクラ行くならマイスタ。
Philippines Club Manila Boom Boom. Club siya, guys. Okay, you will be dancing like this club. We're back here. My gosh, I'm tired. Kung iisipin mo, grabe. Ang haba ng araw ngayon. Woo, we had a long day. Really long day. Kamusta na yung aking pimps? Nakakaloka. Buti na lang talaga nag-cover ako. Kahit nga nag-cover ako ng concealer, meron pa din. And yung lipstick, ito yung matte ink from Maybelline na Amazonia na shade. Nandito pa rin, guys. Ilang beses na ako kumain. Uminom pa ako kanina. Ilang beses na ako uminom, actually. I want the chips again. Gusto ko yung chips. Actually, mag-try tayo ng iba, be. Try natin tong... try natin to. Kaya lang baka... ma-open na. Okay lang naman, no? Ito, try natin to. Natin, yummers. Kakainin pala namin yung pie na binigay. Kasi baka masira na, hindi pa namin makain. Kainin natin yan, sayang. Ang sarap pa naman ng pie na yan. I'll try this. I think it's a rice cracker. Oh, smells good. Yum. At yung mga gusto ko, yummers. Sa vlog kanina, nakahapon nyo napanood, reklamo ako ng reklamo kasi sabi ko hindi ito yung inaasahan ko. Kasi akala ko, ano lang siya, heating pack. Wala siyang pandikit. Meron pala siyang pandikit, guys. Dinikit ko dito, hanggang ngayon. Ano pa rin siya? Warm pa din siya. Kung nalaman ko kanina na meron pala itong pandikit, nilagay ko sana siya sa, ito talaga, itong suot ko ba, para ito mag-touch sa body ko. Tinanggal ko na siya sa packaging, tapos nilagay ko lang siya sa pocket ko, para kung gusto ko ng, like, warm na, patch, ilalagay ko lang yung kamay ko sa pocket ko. Tapos, pagkuha ko sa kanya, sabi ko, meron pala siyang napipil na Yung na-expect ko kasi, nung pinakita to ng mga naghuhol, akala ko maliliit na, like, patch na ilalagay sa damit. Isa lang pala siya. Akala ko kasi talaga maliliit. So, isa lang pala siya na malaki. Ginamit niya yung spoon. Sarap, no? Yummers, no, babe?
Yeah, it's good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, it's jelly?
Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe that's a good too.
Yeah. Sabi ko, bakit wala na makalabas? Mga ignorante talaga tayo, babe, oy. Jelly, yummers. Napaka-refreshing. Ang galing ng pa-OOTD nila, guys. Oh, pantulog. Ang cute! Ang galing kasi meron talaga silang supplied na Tatlo pa yung ganito, tapos ayaw ni Dan. So, I'm all set. Sana hindi nila ako nagdala ng pantulog. Anyway, yung aking muka, nilagyan ko, yung dalawa kong mga babies dito, nilagyan ko ng toothpaste, 'di ba? Kung ano-ano na lang pinaglalagay. Kasi, walang nagwo-work eh. Yung pimple patch natin, hindi nag-work. Maybe kasi sa flight din kasi, di ba, ang dumi-dumi ng air dun. Recycled air na kasi. So, parang lumala siya. So, yeah, maybe that's why hindi nag-work yung pimple patch natin. Kasi usually nag-work sa akin yun eh. Anyway, nilagyan ko siya ng toothpaste. Sana bukas okay na yan. Please, maging okay ka naman. Anyway, yun na yung vlog ko, guys. Salamat, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be good. Good night, guys. Bye.